In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix X.com or Twitter error code 522 quickly and easily. This issue is usually caused by a connection problem, a site outage, or a browser or network conflict, so we'll go through the fastest steps to get you back in. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. First, check whether X.com is down globally. Open a website status checker or search for X outage to see if other users are reporting the same issue. If the site is having a wider outage, the problem is not on your device, and you may just need to wait until the service is restored. If the site is up, the next step is to disable your VPN if you have one running. A VPN can sometimes trigger connection errors or block the route to X.com, so turn it off completely and then try loading the page again. If that does not fix it, switch your internet connection. Turn off your Wi-Fi and try logging in using your mobile data. If you are already on mobile data, switch back to Wi-Fi and test again. This helps you find out whether the issue is with your current network. Next, clear your browser data. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. Then clear your cookies and cache. Make sure both cookies and cached images and files are selected. Then confirm the cleanup and restart your browser. After that, go back to X.com and try signing in again. In many cases, one of these steps will resolve error code 522 and restore access right away. If the issue continues, repeat the steps carefully and test each one individually so you can see which fix works for your device or network. I hope this tutorial helped you fix the problem fast. If it did, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple step-by-step fixes just like this one.